Hey guys, welcome back to my cooking tutorial. Today we're making the finest omelet in the land. So let me go get the ingredients. We don't have any ingredients. Ah, there's the doorbell. I'll go get it. Oh, hey.
What's the password?
Tomato.
Alright. Here is the tosha.
Yo! He's back from Vietnam.
You want gift?
Oh, thanks. Come on.
Hey, can I have my sword back?
No.
What?
Alright guys, today we have a special guest. We have
Mr. Miyagi.
Mr. Miyagi with us, and he gave us a tomato, so that's pretty cool. So we have one of the ingredients, but I don't think this is up to par to cut, so I'll get my very special tool. Excuse me.
Ah, yes. Very cheap sword.
Now this is what we're talking about. So,
Are you trading for using one?
yeah. Okay, kind of a pro.
Okay.
Alright.
Just don't miss.
Damn, that shot cleaned up the whole table. Shut up! I know that's the one. You hear that,
right?
Yeah, you hear that, right?
Let's go check it out.
Alright. Hey, you good in there?
No.
Oh,
Oh no, you're out of TP.
I'm just gonna, I'm gonna
I
get
don't know
that.
if there's even still some left.
Alright. I got you the one.
Do it just. I guess?
Here, for your troubles.
Did that just come out of his.
Well, we got the onion. Alright, so hey guys, we got the onion. Don't ask me how we got it. Anyways, we got the onion. But now, we need the most important ingredient of all. The cheese. So, let me go make that real quick. So here we have it, the cheese, the most important part of an omelet. But truly, I lied. This isn't the most important part of the omelet. You know what the most important part of the omelet is?
The egg.
Exactly. We need an egg. Oh. Not this one. Now, we have the infinity gauntlet of omelet ingredient. The tomato,
The egg.
the egg,
And onion.
the onion, and the cheese. So, let's get cooking. Alright, so our meal is complete. We made pizza. So now it's time to share with all our friends. So come on in.